This is ETV Bharat. Welcome to News Time. The Election Commission on Thursday sought reply from the Bharatiya Janata Party on a complaint by Congress and other opposition parties about Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech in Rajasthan's Banswara that triggered a row. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Rahul Gandhi are expected to contest from Rai Bareilly and Amethi seats respectively in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, with a final decision to be made after April 26. Amethi and Rai Bareilly, traditional Congress strongholds, will vote in the fifth phase on May 20. Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav on Thursday filed his nomination papers from Kannauj Lok Sabha constituency. Yadav filed the nomination in the presence of party leaders including Ram Gopal Yadav. The ED on Wednesday told the SC that Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal led the investigating officer through his conduct to form the satisfaction that he is guilty of money laundering. In its reply to Kejriwal's petition challenging his arrest, the agency said the AAP leader was avoiding interrogation by not being present before the investigating officer despite 9 summonses. 7 students from different districts in Telangana died by suicide on Wednesday, April 24, after failing the intermediate exams, leaving their parents in despair and shock. A top Hamas political official told the Associated Press the Islamic militant group is willing to agree to a truce of 5 years or more with Israel and that it would lay down its weapons and convert into a political party if an independent Palestinian state is established along pre-1967 borders. The Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud on Thursday announced that the Supreme Court will start sharing information relating to cause lists and filing and listing of cases to advocates through WhatsApp messages. Radical Sikh preacher Amritpal Singh, who is currently lodged in a jail in Assam under the National Security Act, will fight the Lok Sabha polls from Punjab's Khadur Sahib seat as an independent candidate, his counsel claimed on Wednesday. Grandmaster Gukesh received a heartwarming reception from the fans as he arrived in Chennai on Thursday. Gukesh returned to his home country after becoming the youngest player to win the prestigious FIDE Chess Candidates event held in Toronto. Log on to etvbharat.com for the latest updates.